I got my first YouTube paycheck. I received it, and it's... Hey BAES, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, nice to meet you. My name is Nikki B, and I vlog about freelancing, health, and lifestyle in general. So if you're interested with any of the topics that I mentioned, then consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga latest uploads ko. So today's vlog is something dear to me and a major milestone that I want to share with you BAES, because if it weren't for your support and trust, I wouldn't be able to achieve it. And I'd like to take this opportunity BAES to thank each and every one of you for watching, liking, commenting, and even sharing my content to your friends. And I'm happy that I was able to inspire others to check this opportunity, and I've also featured some of my subscribers who found success in pursuing the Amazon VA opportunity. So again, thank you so much, and I hope you will continue supporting my channel. So I'm sure excited na kayo malaman how much YouTube paid me for my first YouTube paycheck. So I'm gonna quickly share with you my backstory, my journey when I started my YouTube channel, because I really want to inspire those small YouTubers like me out there to never give up and to continue what you're doing. Para siyang plant na ninenurture mo, dinidiligan mo, pero hindi agad siya nagbubunga. So hindi ka kagad makaka-harvest. And on my end, it took me 6 months to have my channel monetized. And on the 9th month ko pa nakuha yung first YouTube paycheck ko. So if ito yung ginawa kong source of income, it wouldn't work. Maybe I would have quit along the way. But since I was doing it on the side, I had another means of income. Na-enjoy ko yung process, and I kept doing what I enjoy most. And what started out as a hobby or something na outlet ko lang to express myself eventually became one of my streams of income now. So without further ado, let's get into it. I uploaded my first ever video on YouTube last January 13, 2020, and I even didn't share it on my timeline because I was really embarrassed. I don't know. I'm not gonna go into details. Maybe that's for another vlog or story. And I only told about it sa few friends ko, and my mom, sister, my boyfriend, and best friends, Thea, si Roach, and si Joy, and a couple more friends. And on that very same day, I got my first 7 subscribers and 34 views. Kaya siya naging 34 views kasi yung mismong friends ko, yung si Thea saka si Joy, sila yung nag-share ng first vlog ko sa kanilang timeline nila. And I'm sure many can relate to this. Now, when you're starting out, you can feel it. You have a surge of energy, motivation, yung ideas na parang ang dami mong naiisip na parang ito yung mga content na ipuput out there ko. So, in a span of 2 months, almost 2 months, I was able to create and post 9 vlogs. Yes, 9 vlogs. And on February, na-hit ko yung 100 subscribers na milestone. So it was just cold marketing. But then, life happened. COVID happened. So my mom lost her job. My sister had to quit her job because they were moving to another state in the US. So suddenly, I was the only one left with a job. And I had to focus on, income generating activities para masupport ko yung mom ko. And when you're starting out on YouTube, you spend too much time and effort on it, but you don't necessarily get something out of it. So I had to put vlogging on hold so I could focus on increasing my income. But then something strange happened. So 2 months na akong hindi nag-upload, but my channel kept growing. It kept gaining views and subscribers hanggang sa umabot ng 600. And doon ako napaisip na sayang naman na parang tumatakbo na siya. Why not, nurture and ipagpatuloy ko pa? So on May May 4th, I think, bumalik ako, nag-upload ulit ako ng vlog, and on the same month, I was able to reach the 1,000k subscribers. Yeah, and the following month, June, dun ko naman na-reach yung 4,000 watch hours. So, I was able to apply for the YouTube Partner Program. So, naging monetize na yung channel ko on June 16, 2020. And June 23, na-reach ko yung threshold na $10 for Google Adsense to send a PIN to your address para ma-verify mo siya. So, yung unang PIN na sinend sa akin was June 23. Kaso, I was one of those unfortunate people na hindi naka-receive. And na-use up ko talaga yung 3 requests na mag-resend ng PIN. But up until now, wala talaga akong na-receive. And October na eh. July, August, September, October. So, I received a notification na if after 4 months, from the time na na-monetize ako, if after 4 months hindi ko pa rin ma-verify yung address ko, Google AdSense would stop showing ads on my video. So, na-sad naman ako noon na parang, gano'n na lang ba yun? Parang mapupunta na lang sa wala yung pinaghirapan ko. But thankfully, I saw this tutorial on YouTube from the Kaibigan channel. So I'm gonna put her video link in the description box below. She shared there on how you can verify your address without a Google PIN. Yeah, so on October, I think that was October 16 or 15, I was able to verify my address. I have to link one of my bank accounts to my YouTube, to my Google AdSense account. So, eto na nga, on August 21st, so yun nga, every 21st, dun mo makukuha yung sweldo kay YouTube. And I got my first YouTube paycheck. I received it, and it's, it's 818.16. Kinonvert ko siya sa peso, it's 38,285 cents. Yon. So, lumalabas na parang nasa 46.69 yung palitan ng $1 to peso when I converted nung time na yon. So, hindi na masama, but yeah, take note that this is something that I've earned or accumulated from June 16 na na-monetize ako up until September 30 kasi delayed siya eh. So, yung, let's say ngayon, yung sweldo ko, now that I'm filming this, it's November. So, ang makukuha ko sa November 21, yung paycheck ko, YouTube paycheck ko, ng October. So, true enough, kapag may tiyaga, may nilaga, kapag may tinanim, may aanihin. I hope you learned something from this vlog. If you like this video, please give it some love by giving it a thumbs up. And do comment below kung ano yung major takeaway nyo sa vlog na to. And if you know people who can benefit from this vlog, do share it to them. And hopefully, may ma-inspire ako mga mag-start ng kanilang YouTube channel. So again, thank you so much for watching. This is Nikki B, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye!